We are on our national adventure. Hi, if you haven't joined us yet, this is Andrew. I'm Alison. We've got 3 girls, Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. We live in Georgia and explore throughout the state, so make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel for future explorations and adventure. This week we're in Lake Lanier and we're exploring the cottages here.
So this is the map. It's a huge island, it's a huge cluster of islands. You drive in on the east side, getting into the center, and you're heading north to the actual Legacy Lodge. But Legacy Lodge encompasses buildings on the whole island. The villas are close there, but if you want one of the larger lake houses that suits a family of 8 to 10, you're going to rent a lake house down on the southern end here, which is what we're going to take you out to experience.
There are over 690 miles of shoreline here, and the lake is well known for its aqua blue colored. It's got spectacular scenery and really unique rec activities. Just a bit of background, the U.S. Corps of Engineers in the late 1950s actually constructed Lake Lanier, and it's multi-purpose. It's authorized for flood protection, power production, water supply, navigation, recreation, fish, and wildlife. With all that said, it has become the Hamptons of Georgia because it's so conveniently located to Atlanta.
This week we're staying at the lake houses here at Legacy Lodge. There's 30 within this whole little roundabout. We are staying in number 24. They've given us the key. Let's go open this place and see what it looks like.
They're cute. There you go.
A little bit of a push, but we're in. Okay, so coming in, first thing they show us a little sanitized. I really like that they've been adding these to specific rooms to let us know that, hey, everything's been cleaned, you're good to go in. So coming in, that's the first thing we saw, and we were the first ones to open up the door. I love the wood beams in here. That was one of the first things I saw. Check out the wood beams in this place.
As far as the whole cabin, they definitely go for a rustic, country feeling, kind of like an American folklore decor as well.
If you're coming to the lakes and you would like to have a place that is specifically for larger families or larger groups of people, these are what you're going to be renting out.
My goodness! Love it! Whoa! There's a balcony!
It's really cozy. Your seating space is really nice. It's got 2 couches that can fit people, and then there's a nice fireplace and TV, so it's very open kitchen, dining, and living space. So it's a general living space that's very nice. Open windows to either sides, and then there's rooms on either end of this building. Oh my god, this is so cute. Girls are gonna love this when they walk in here. Solid wood. Now it does look like it's like for a single, but they've made it out for a full, so there's extra space. It is so cute.
Oh gosh! Oh! Our TV!
I guess those are the priorities, right?
I take this bed! No, I go that bed!
Aren't they amazing?
Yeah! Yeah!
The views out the window. We are not directly on the lake, so it kind of curls in like a little circle as far as all these cottages go. But you can see directly out to the lake, and the views are really beautiful. I love the colors too. They're so like warm, very warm and inviting. It's perfect. Definitely like gives you that vibe that you're still in the South, like reminding you of a little Southern charm. So whoever's designed this has done an awesome job. This place is adorable. Okay, so let's check out the bedroom on the other side of this place. Again, the really amazing wood features as far as the bed frames. These bed frames are phenomenal. I love the color in here, very cool, calm, beautiful periwinkle blue. I love it that they have these mirror features in each of them. The roundabouts just give it a little bit of extra charm. And you know, being in the South, it's so cool to see the southern chairs that you typically see like on a front porch out in the bedrooms. Definitely like makes you feel like you're definitely in Southern Living. This place has actually won an award for Southern Living magazine, which if you're taking a look at this, all the details, you can tell why. It's right spot on as far as what you'd see picture perfect in the magazines. Chloe was saying that she was cold, so she's buried her body into the master bed. You can't even see her. She's so cute. No, she's hiding in there. She's just no. You have the same exact thing in your room.
What's that?
Chloe is like.
That's not from air conditioning.
Do you like the way that the soap smells?
Yeah, it smells like tea.
Smells like tea? Pretty, is it?
There's
A great view, isn't there?
barbecue out there. And we have a deck.
So there's a back deck as well with a patio set as well as like a grill. Maybe we'll have breakfast out here in the morning. I don't think we'll be grilling out here tonight. It just rained, but it is very nice, very peaceful, relaxing, open concept floor plan with beautiful nature and huge trees all around.
Thanks so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you on the next adventure.